Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this cowl and matching texting gloves. And I'll place this pattern on my blog. So let's get started. And this will give you an idea of how it would look in more neutral colors. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 6mm crochet hook. I'm going to start with a slip knot and begin by chaining a foundation chain that is the following number of stitches. So chain a foundation chain that is the correct length for the size cowl that you are making. Okay, when you have your foundation chain the correct length, you're going to slip stitch to join, being careful not to twist the chain. And I'll just hold my thumb on the smooth side and my finger on the bumpy side, and I'll just lightly pull it through, and then I would be able to feel if the foundation chain were to twist. Slip stitch to join, and then I'm going to chain 2, and I'm going to turn. And that way I can see the bumps for the stitches. So I'm going to double crochet in each stitch around. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. And that is a double crochet. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to double crochet in each stitch all the way around. Okay, so double crochet all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. So slip stitch to join. So you see here, that's the first row. Now I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2, and I'm going to turn. And I'm going to alternate front post, double crochet, and a double crochet all the way around. So the next stitch will be a front post. So yarn around the hook, insert the hook under the post of the double crochet from the front, and that is a front post double crochet. Now just complete the double crochet. In the next stitch I'm just going to make a double crochet. In the next stitch a front post double crochet. In the next stitch a double crochet. Okay, so repeat all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. And that is the first 2 rows. And I'm going to do 2 rows of single crochet. So chain 1 and turn. And I'm going to single crochet in that same stitch because I want to have a seamless join. And then I'm going to single crochet in every stitch across the row. So single crochet in every stitch all the way across the row. Okay, all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the first single crochet. Chain 1 and turn. Single crochet in that same stitch, single crochet in each stitch all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the top of the first single crochet. Okay, I worked all the way around, and this is how my work looks. That is this section. And then I'm going to change, and for this 2 rows of double crochet, I'm going to work that in pink, and then I'll work that 2 rows of double crochet in a different color blue, and then again in pink. But you could make this entire cowl all in the same color. So now I'll show you how to change color, and all you do is simply pull it through the last stitch worked, and I'm just going to tighten that up, and then I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2, and I'm going to turn my work, and I'm going to double crochet in the next stitch and double crochet in each stitch all the way around. And that is a repeat of this row. So double crochet in each stitch all the way around. And then at the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2, and then you'll repeat this row of alternating a front post double crochet and a double crochet, and then 2 rows of single crochet. So there's 2 rows of the double crochets, 2 rows of single, 2 rows here, row of double, a row of alternating front post and double, 2 rows of single crochet, a row of double crochet, a row of alternating front post, double crochet and double crochet, 2 rows of single crochet, and you just continue that until you have your cowl as tall as you would like it to be. And then you'll fasten off and weave the yarn ends back into the finished work. And after you've worked the section for your texting gloves, it will look like this. And then you will fold it over like that so that it fits around the hand. And with a needle and yarn, you'll sew this up to here, leave an opening for the thumb, and then continue to sew it up the arm. And that's how easy it is to make these texting gloves. And there you go, that's how easy it is to crochet this cowl and the texting gloves. And it's just a repeat of the same 4 rows, just changing colors for each one. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.